Most people think flirting is pure luck. You're either born with insane riz or you're doomed to be friend-zoned forever. Wrong. Psychology proves attraction isn't random. It's a biological response to specific triggers your brain can't ignore. When you hit these triggers right, the other person's brain lights up like winning the lottery. Dopamine floods in, defenses drop, and boom, instant chemistry. Today, I'm revealing 7 science-backed psychological triggers that create attraction almost instantly. These aren't pickup lines. These are brain hacks used by top daters, CEOs, and even celebrities. Stick around till the end. Number 7 is the one most guys miss, but it changes everything. Hit that like button if you're ready to level up your game. And let's dive in. Number 1. The pratfall effect. People think you need to be perfect to attract someone. Wrong again. Research from social psychologist Elliot Aronson shows highly competent people become more attractive when they make a small, harmless mistake, like spilling coffee, tripping over words, or messing up a joke. Why? It humanizes you. Perfect people feel intimidating. A tiny blunder shows you're confident enough to be imperfect, and that lowers their guard. Real example. You're talking to someone cute. You say something smart, then accidentally drop your phone. Laugh it off. Wow, gravity hates me today. Boom. They smile, relax, and see you as approachable and real. Pro tip, only use on small mistakes. Big blunders backfire. Number 2, the Zeigarnik effect. Your brain hates unfinished stories. Psychologist Bluma Zeigarnik discovered we remember incomplete tasks way better than finished ones. In flirting, leave things open-ended. Don't spill your whole life story in one chat. Tell a half story. I had the craziest adventure last weekend, but I'll tell you the wild part later. Or text, just remembered something funny about you. Catch you soon. Their brain loops on you. What was it? When will he tell me? This creates mystery and obsession. Cliffhangers work on Netflix. They work 10 times better in dating. Number 3, scarcity. People want what they can't easily have. Robert Cialdini's influence research. Be available, but not too available. Don't reply instantly every time. Have your own life, gym, friends, hobbies. When they feel you might slip away, attraction skyrockets. Example, she asks to hang out. I'm free Thursday evening, but let's make it quick. Got plans after. Suddenly you're high value. Scarcity turns maybe into I need this now. Number 4, mirroring or the chameleon effect. Subconsciously, we like people who are similar to us. When you mirror body language, tone, or energy, they feel instant connection. Lean in when they lean in. Match their laugh energy. Use similar words. Studies show mirrored people feel we're on the same wavelength. Don't copy like a robot. Subtle and natural. Number 5, prolonged eye contact. Holding strong, but not creepy eye contact releases phenylethylamine, the love chemical. Add a slight smile. Their pupils dilate, sign of attraction. Yours too. Brain registers mutual interest. Pro move. Hold 3 to 5 seconds longer than normal. Then look away playfully. Creates tension and spark. Number 6, playful teasing plus shared laughter. Humor activates reward centers. Dopamine again. Teasing shows confidence and creates emotional roller coaster. Excitement plus safety. Example, you say you're bad at flirting? Prove it. Your turn. Light, fun, never mean. Laughter bonds faster than compliments. Science says couples who laugh together stay together. Number 7, controlled vulnerability. The deepest trigger? Showing a real side without oversharing. Share a small insecurity or story. I used to be super shy in crowds, but now I love talking to interesting people like you. This builds trust fast. Brené Brown's research. Vulnerability creates connection. People drop masks around authentic people. Attraction becomes emotional, not just physical. So, there you have it. 7 psychological triggers that turn flirting from luck to science. Which one are you trying first? Drop in the comments. I'm testing number 3, or whatever. If this hit home, smash that like, subscribe for more Riz Psychology, and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss the next one. Remember, attraction isn't about being perfect. It's about triggering the right responses in their brain. Go out there and own it. You've got this. Peace.